Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to disable friend suggestions on Viber. Maybe you find the friend suggestions feature on Viber to be intrusive or unnecessary. So today I'm going to show you how to disable friend suggestions on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on this more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Viber menu. From this menu, tap on Settings. In this Settings page, tap on Privacy. Here, you will see an option called Allow Friend Suggestions. By default, this option is turned on, which means that Viber suggests friends based on your contacts. Now, to disable it, simply tap on this button next to it. Once you do that, the icon will be unchecked, indicating that you now have successfully disabled friend suggestions on Viber. Now, you will no longer receive friend suggestions from Viber based on your contacts. There you go. If you wanted to know how to disable friend suggestions on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to disable friend suggestions on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.